Alright, we're here at the shop doing a tune-up on a 2007 Ford Edge. Just a tune-up. That's it. We're gonna follow you through just a little bit. Some things I'm not gonna record because I need two hands for it. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. See that thing right there? These are 8s right here. Remove these off. Out that down. Okay. Push that bad boy in. Slide right back out. Same for all of them. That one off and move forward. 1, 2, 3. Try not to get them mixed up. So I'm just going to put them up there. Very good. Spark plugs. 5/8, I believe. Get them all torqued. These in. That way. Usually fall right in place. Put your screws back in, tighten them down. Don't tighten these down way too much. These are plastic, so be careful with them. And this, I'm going to use my little machine on it because it don't tighten that much and it tightens down, so it's basically perfect. That's where we're going. Place your connectors. Here is quick. Slide back up. Listen to the clicks. Slide back in. And next one. Shouldn't have to force it. Just for the front. Now we're going to the back. Now, for one, you want to take this off. It's your air cleaner. You take these all off. You gotta hose that goes underneath there. You gotta worry about that. As before. All I did is just loosen this with your flathead screwdriver. That off. It's off. Same way what I told you before. Smooth that tab back, push it in, pull it out. Put these, which I already did. Back here. Another one back there, you gotta disconnect. Right there. in there, take it off. Alright, got that disconnector right there. Just use the flathead. Come over here. Take this piece off right here. Two hands for it. Rip this pop right off. Got it off. Good. Alright, next. Now we're going to take the intake off. Now we got some 8 bolts here. They're size 8. We get these 2 right here. That one. Go across. We got one right here. Got one right here. We got 2 right here. And sometimes these little tabs right here, you want to take these off just to move this wiring out the way. Taking me a little tool, put it underneath there. You use a flathead. I have a tool to pull those off. One here, one there. There should be one back here. If it's hooked up. Yeah, I don't think it's hooked up. Just to push it out of your way a little bit. Just those 2. I want to get them disconnected. Go from there. I'm gonna take all these bolts out. Be sure they come out. Boom. So I don't have to go without dropping them. Move these out the way. You gotta mark them on your longer one is this one. Very long one. I get the screws out and remove these tabs. I'm sure I got. Get that off. Got one more bolt back there. See that one right there? That's a piece right there. That's the 8. Take that off and everything should come right out of here. Okay, get that screw untightened. That screw don't usually go out. Or did a good thing by not letting it come out. That way it won't fall all the way back in the engine. Now you're ready to lift everything up. Kind of like prop everything up, really. Make sure you put some right there so nothing don't fall into the engine. I'm gonna put a little shot rag up in there. And then go to the back. Need 2 hands for this, so I'm going to put you down. Let's do it. Now disconnect one of the battery posts. Just make sure that don't go up there. I'll put something over that. You're gonna go over here. This piece you want to take off. You just want to push this little tab down in the middle right there. Not right there, right there. Just like I did in the front. This actual piece right here goes to this piece right here. Goes underneath here. You plug into that, to your intake. So I already took these off. 1, 2. I gotta worry about losing the one that I'm plugged in because they basically don't move no further than that. So you don't gotta worry about that. Just gotta loosen these nuts. Good. I'll look here from here. Okay. Alright, remove the nuts. Take this one off. Well, try to put the same coils back in the same slot if you can. I don't think it would matter. Alright, get that one. Alright, I got the old ones out already. Alright, put the new ones in. Now I'm tightening them all down right now. Got me a little stubby one. So I can turn a lot better. Tighten it. Too tight. Next one. A little bit of room up in here. It's a little stubby because of the fact of, so you don't tighten too tight. You gotta tighten hand tight. Give me just enough torque. Back one back here. Actually, using my camera. I can see because I can't see it. Camera for it. I see you guys seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, tighten it. Okay. Here, that's a put. On the face. Take a little bit. In there. Course, back in, snap them back in till you hear the little clip, and then you put the screws back in, and you're done. Put everything back together. I don't gotta take everything off. Only reason I took these off, like I said before, so you won't end up breaking this by accident. You want to put the hands for this, so it goes right there. And also that piece I told you, that plugs right into the top of it, top of this hose. And it goes back up. All right, you got everything tighten in the back. The hose on. That one wire will hook up to that hose. Okay, that's hooked up. That wire back there, that hose. That nut back there is tight. It's supposed to be one down here. So you can see that. It's supposed to be right there. There wasn't no bolt in there. There was tune-up done before and somebody didn't put that one back in. Didn't think it was necessary. It's really not. But I'm not gonna go crazy over it. Go back. Okay, it's basically just back and forth, tighten it all down. And this so many times on the factory specs. Basically, go back afterwards just to double check. Okay, that's on. Now, put all your wires back in. Over here. Where's the furthest one? We'll start with this one. Put it nicely. Put it in there. Does it feel good? I like it. Set up. Back in. Set up. Okay. This one. Pushing it straight too. Messy as well. Looking nice. Pushing it the rest of the way. Puts in place. And this last one right here.
And put everything else back on. Air hose. And it goes into right there. I'll just unplug it so I won't have to worry about it. There's on there. This bad boy back on there. Need 2 hands to do that. When that goes in, I just clip right back in place. Be right back.
Alright, finishing up. Good. We're done. Put one more thing back on.
Right in. Goes in. That hose hook back up. Hose back there. It's already plugged in. And putting on the battery. Clean it up just a little bit. A little bit more. Turn this back down. Got the battery. This is not. It's right on there. Okay, got this. Okay, it's nice and tight. Now we're done. Good.
Alright, now we're done. You know me. You leave my shop, you're gonna get cleaned up a little bit. So I clean the engine compartment just a little bit. Wipe things down. Gonna shine them up. Some little detail spray.
That's one. That one. And the last one. And at least. He's meant.
My mobile mechanic auto repair and detail service.